You guys are gonna hate the next mod on my 2011 WRX.
Huh?
It's one that I absolutely love. You see, I like making cars loud and I like them to have the noises they're supposed to make. That's why today we're installing an NGR blow-off valve. If you guys don't already know, NGR Performance makes a blow-off valve that's the exact same style as the Greddy Type S, and it sounds exactly like it. Let's get it installed.
Ew.
Let's go ahead and pop the hood and start removing things. This should be a pretty easy install.
I'm in danger.
This is our stock bypass valve. We're just gonna take out these two bolts, put in our new one. We got our bolts off, stock bypass off. So cute.
That's what she said.
Old, new. So for the WRX, you are also going to need an adapter plate, and because I'm doing vent to atmosphere,
That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem.
I've got a plug that's for my bypass valve line. Gotta install this first. Tighten our adapter plate. Now we've got our plug installed. Let's put the blow-off valve on. I already ran into 1 or 2 snags. The bolts that they give you are way too short for the blow-off valve. M6 by 1, and you need longer bolts. Go get them. Also, the vacuum line that controls the blow-off valve here is too big.
That's what she said.
So you're gonna need an adapter and a different line run to it. Just like that, we have a blow-off valve installed. Let's see what it sounds like.
Pretty good.
I hope you liked it because I know I liked it. And here's the fun thing. Even if you don't like it, I still like it because that's all that really matters. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.